Hi everyone, and a very big welcome for watching my video. So today I'm just going to show you how to do a quick medium and mica powder pour, and it's as simple as that. I'm just using a medium and mica powders. So basically I am just going to mix my mica powder and medium in my cup, and I'm just going to swirl around on my artboard and create some funky designs. And if you have any questions, guys, just comment under my video and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. So hopefully you enjoy this video. It was just a big, rough, rushed video just to show you how it's done. And thanks very much for watching. And please like, share and subscribe if you can. Have a good day, guys. So guys, in this next step, you're going to see me just slowly sort of like swirling the medium and the mica powders around in the board and just going with the flow basically. There is no right or wrong way to do it, and any piece will just turn out to be really artsy looking. So hope you enjoying watching the video so far, and as I say, just give me a wee shout in the comments if you want to know anything else. And here comes the tricky bit, guys. It will get very messy at this stage, so make sure you have a big sheet or something to catch all that paint. You will be absolutely covered, but the end result is really cool. So as you can see, the wee result here of me just doing it really quickly, and if you took your time you could create some really cool art, guys. So as I say, thank you very much for watching and taking the time, and hopefully you like, share and subscribe. It'll do great, get my wee channel out there. Thanks again.